Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my name is Jabulani Sinyatu here at the Rustenburg Herald, and I'm not going alone. I'm with Maris Luru. She's going to tell you what's happening on the front page. A very interesting story there. Let's hear what she has to say.
Ja, welkom aan die kykers en lesers. Nou hierdie week, kon ons nie 'n model kry nie, toe het ek net maar model gespeel vir ons voorbladfoto. En die skaal van die foto gaan vir julle die hele verhaal vertel van slaggate hier in Rustenburg. En toevallig terwyl ons besig was om die foto te neem, het 'n paar motoriste verbygery en kommentaar gelewer en een van hierdie kommentare is nou ook as gebruik as ons kop vir die week, Rustenburg's Pothole Project. Obviously, tongue in the cheek that one. Read more on page 2.
Thank you very much. Since we are talking about service delivery here in Rustenburg, I'm going to mention this one because by the time that most of the people receive the newspaper, it's going to be a bit too late. We've got a special council meeting that's taking place on the 5th of February at 12 o'clock there by the Civic Center. So more information is on page 6, or the numbers that you have to contact if you want to RSVP, if you want to be part of the meeting. It's also going to be streamed on Facebook, but like I said, all the details are on page 6.
Dan alle gemeenskapsorganisasies wat goeie werk doen, maar ongelukkig befondsing kort kom. Op bladsy 2 is vinnige besonderhede oor hoe om aansoek te doen vir fondse by die Platinum Mark van 2025. Nou vir die van julle wat nie weet nie, die mark vind elke jaar plaas by die Gereformeerde Kerk Rustenburg Wes en 'n groot gedeelte van die opwinst gaan dan aan plaaslike besighede en nie winsgewende organisasies wat befondsing benodig. Soos ek sê, alles op bladsy 2 as jy voel jou besigheid kan doen met 'n ekstra geldjie.
And the people of Rustenburg will know this team. They are a very, very powerful team. Once they are mentioned, the people get very scared because you will commit a crime and you will stay for 5 to 10 years thinking that they're not going to arrest you. They will arrest you. It's the Rustenburg Trio Task Team. They've cracked open a murder case that happened quite some time ago. So we've got a group picture there of the team on page 7 and the story that will blow your mind away.
Ja, dankie vir hulle goeie werk ook. Op bladsy 6, dis nou nie heeltemal slegte nuus nie, maar ek dink baie mense gaan so 'n bietjie omgekrap wees hieroor. Daar is weer konstruksie wat op die Helen Joseph brug gaan plaasvind vir die volgende paar dae. Dit sal nie verkeer ontwrig in die sin van dat daar nou weer ompaaie gery moet word nie, but please take note that you look out for workers who are going to be working and walking around on the bridge. Don't presume that all the lanes are open. Wees asseblief versigtig en pak maar die geduld saam met jou in die motor as jy in die oggend of in die middag oor die brug moet ry.
And this one, I just left it for the last part. We've had numerous complaints about public safety in Rustenburg. So we did an article. The article is very, very interesting. On page 3, a lot of businesses are alleging that public safety officials are allegedly intimidating them. So read the allegations on page 3 of this fixation of the Rustenburg Herald.
Ja, so ons sien julle volgende week. Ons is hard aan die werk alreeds. Ons sien nou uit om al die gemeenskapsnuus met julle te deel. Bly veilig tot en met dan.
Thank you. See you again next time.